You want to make money, right? Maybe you're looking for a job, you are in education, or perhaps you're already working, but searching for a reliable way to make some side income. Well, this is your lucky day. This is not just a circular video, but an advice drawn from 20 years' experience in this business. Just watch this video to the end, because I'm breaking down a full step-by-step guide to help you make easy and quick money. You can be a man or a woman, 16 years plus. It's time to wake up and do this now. And the actual business is a roadside tire service or mobile tire fitting service. Concentrate now and start this business of helping people who are stuck on the road. This is exactly like food business. Imagine how many cars, motorbike, vans and trucks you see on the road every day. The good news is that in this business, you don't need a shop to get started. And this type of business has no heavy bills to pay. All you need is just a few essential tools, some basic know-how, and the willingness to hustle. If you're interested in doing this, or would like to recommend this business to your friends or family members, it's time now to remember, share or subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss our next video. We will show you everything step by step from A to Z. And the actual business is called Roadside Tire Service or Mobile Tire Fitting Service. Starting a roadside tire service or a complete mobile tire service business is a perfect opportunity. With low startup costs, flexible hours, and high demand, especially in areas with lots of drivers every day. People will always drive. And to drive, tires are the part of the car to connect with the road and get you to your destination. This means no tires in a vehicle, you will get nowhere. With this business, you can start earning quickly by helping people with flat tires, tire replacements, or simple repairs on the spot. This is a practical hands-on business that solves real problems and keeps your body fit. Now, to start this type of business, you need to consider these two options. Option 1, roadside tire service. This is low cost to start. Option 2, full mobile tire fitting service. This will need just a bit of extra money to start. Now let's start with option 1, roadside tire service. This means helping drivers who get flat tires or blowouts while they're on the road. Number 1. Tools and equipment you need: heavy-duty jack, impact wrench, tire plug kit, portable air compressor, battery jump starter, tire inflator, basic toolkit, safety cones and clear vest. Now let's move to option 2. Make it a complete mobile tire fitting service. This is a more broader service. Here are a few essential items you'll need to add: a van with secure storage, a mobile tire changer, an air compressor, a balancing machine, and don't forget a lug wrench. Now let's go over the next steps. Number 1. How much does it cost to start? Here is the breakdown of expense estimated costs. Basic tools: $300 to $700. Used service van: $2,000 to $5,000. Safety equipment: $100 to $200. Business license and insurance: $200 to $500. Branding, including decals and shirts: $100 to $300. So realistically, You can start this type of business for just under $3,000 if you hustle and keep it lean. Now let's move to number 2. Skills you need. You don't need to be a mechanic, but here are the must-have skills. Tire changing and plugging, basic customer service, have a mobile phone and Google Map, basic invoicing or digital payment skills. The good news is that you can learn all here on this channel or other online platforms, and practice on your own car or friends' vehicles. Number 3, how to get customers fast. No customers, no business. Here's how to start getting paid clients. You will need to do free or low-cost marketing. List your business on Google Business Profile. Post daily on social media. Example, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok using local hashtags. Offer free or discounted first jobs for reviews. Drop local flyers. Now it's time to partner up. Network with used car lots, towing companies, and delivery drivers. Partner with taxi drivers. They need you. Number 4, pricing and how much you can make. Let's talk money. Here's what you can charge based in 2025 market. Service average price. Tire change, roadside, $60 to $120. Tire plug or repair, $40 to $80. Jump start, $40 to $70. Lockout service, $50 to $90. If you average 3 jobs a day at $80 each, that's $240 a day, or over $5,000 a month part-time. Number 5, legal stuff and business setup. To stay protected and professional, make sure you register your business and protect it. Get mobile mechanic or roadside assistance insurance. Keep basic receipts or use free apps like Wave or QuickBooks Self-Employed. And consider a simple waiver form for clients. Number 6, how to grow and scale. Once you're rolling, here's how to take it to the next level. Hire help and cover more zones. Offer tire delivery or replacement service. Create a branded website or app. Join affiliate programs for tire brands. And make passive income. Here is the key. If you want to be successful in this business, keep delivering great service, respond fast, and build your reputation. Starting your own roadside tire service business could be your ticket to financial independence or have a very steady income. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. If you need help on how to set up marketing tools or how to get clients, please feel free to contact me. Let's fly together.